Now that's it for this course, for this introductory course. We covered a lot of important Django concepts here. We had a look at URLs, at working with the database, with models and migrations. And we had a look at relations, one-to-many and many-to-many. We had a look at forms. We had a look at views and which kind of code we can write in there to use the data users might have provided to us and to then output templates in the correct way. Because that's another key feature we learned about. We learned about templates, that we can write our own HTML code with dynamic segments or dynamic values inside of these templates so that we can send back different responses based on these blueprints to the visitors of our website. We also had a detailed look at this admin feature, at this admin dashboard, and we had a first look at how we can configure and fine-tune it. And therefore, we covered all these key features that make up Django. If you want to dive deeper, if you want to learn more about Django, as mentioned multiple times throughout this video, of course, have a look at my full course, because in that complete course, we will of course dive into all these key features and a couple of other features in greater detail.